What's up, everybody? So I usually come to you guys in front of my ring light. Today I decided to change the scenery, bring you guys in front of my window so you guys could get a good look at the hair's natural texture. I think my ring light may have the ability to, misconstrue the perception and, create the idea that the hair is a lot more silkier and shinier than it actually is. So I want you guys to really, get a good look at our hair. I think JHA's Raw Indian hair definitely, especially the straight and the wavy hair when pressed out, I think it does a great job resembling African American textured hair when relaxed or pressed out. So, that is my description of how it may be. Of course, I want you guys to keep in mind that every bundle comes from a different donor. So some bundles may be on the silkier side, some bundles may be on the coarser side. We don't take custom orders, but I do want you guys to know that we ensure that you guys receive bundles, like your whole order will come together for a nice, amazing, flawless end look. So you don't have to worry about that, okay? We definitely do our best to ensure that you receive hair that looks great once finally installed. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the natural luster. I actually do have a customer that did a review on our hair. She says that it blends well with her natural hair. She doesn't have a frontal nor a closure, and everything is coming together amazingly. So if you guys want to see that review, it is definitely on our Instagram page. It is also on YouTube, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, have a